At Frasers Property Australia, our legacy of building homes and creating communities stretches all the way back to 1924. Over the course of almost a century, we've seen a lot of change. Yet through it all, there's one thing that stayed true: the powerful allure and comfort of home. All over this country, from city to coast, we're at work, designing, digging, constructing, finishing. Because now, more than ever, a place to belong and a home to call your own is the proud future everyone deserves.